Hello everyone, welcome to my online class video subject Maths Standard 4. Fourth. Today I'm going to explain you this new chapter multiples and factor lesson number 6 from term 1 textbook. Very first I'm going to explain you about what is the meaning of multiples and there are some examples. First, let us consider the multiple table of 2. 1 into 2 equals to 2, 2 into 2 equals to 4, 3 into 2 equals to 6, and 4 into 2 equals to 8, and so on. So all these are the multiple of 2. Thus, the product 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. Like this, we find out the multiples of 2. Let's see. Now, next, what is the definition of multiple? When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product obtained is called multiple. Here you can see that multiple, all these are definition of multiples. Next, about the common multiples. A number that is a multiple of two or more numbers is called a common multiple of those numbers. For example, find the first two common multiples of 2 and 3. So first multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Write the table of 2. Okay, so 2 is a multiple. So all this number is a multiple of 2, that means the table of 2. Next, find out the multiples of 3. Then write down the table of 3. That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. After this, we are going to find out the first two common multiple, that means the same number in both table. So first common multiple is 6 and next is 12. Then write down in a sentence the first two common multiples of 12 and 3 are 6 and 12, like this. Next, exercise 6.1. Now I'm going to explain you the whole exercise in detail, all questions. Question number 1, write the first multiples of the following number. Here in this question we find out only the first 5 multiples, that means 3 5s are like this. So first is 3 equal to multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. That means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Okay, so write the number 3 to 15 only. All these are the multiples of 3. Next, find out the multiples of 9. That is 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Next, multiples of 11. Same 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. Next, multiples of 14. 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. Next, the multiple of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Like this, we find out the multiples of 7. Next, question number 2. Answer the following. Is 62 a multiple of 5? No, 62 is not a multiple of 5. So here we write no in the filling the blanks. B1, is 33 a multiple of 3? Yes, 33 is a 3 is a multiple of 33. Yes, 11 threes are. C1, the 6 multiple of 70 is what? 6 multiple of 70, that means 76 are. 70 into 6 equal to 420. Next, dash is the fifth multiple of 45, that means 45 fives are. Here we find out the fifth multiple, that means 45 into 5 equals to 225. Next, dash is the smallest multiple of 17, that means 17 ones are 17. So first number is the smallest multiple, so that is why 17 is the smallest multiple of 17. Next, question number 3, find the first two common multiples of the following numbers. First, 6, 8. Here in this question, very first write the multiples of particular number, that means 6 and 8. Then write down the table of 6, then write down the table of 8. Here you can see the all table of 6 and the table of, that means the multiples of 8. Okay, after this we are going to find out the common multiples, that means the same number in between both tables. So 24 is the first common number and the 48 is the second common number. Write in a sentence after finding the common number, first two common multiples of 6 and 8 equals to 4 and 48. Here you can see 24 and 48. Next, see one the common multiples of 5 and 10. Very first write the table of 5, and next the table of 10. That means the multiple of 5 and the multiples of 10. After this, find out the common multiples. Here you can see the 10 is the first common multiples, and next 20 is the second common multiples. Then write down in a sentence first two common multiples of 5 and 10, that is 10 and 20. Like this we find out the common multiples of two table. Okay. Next, another topic, factor. In this topic, very first we are going to learn properties of factor. Example is given. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. For example, 3 into 1 equals to 3, 4 into 1 equal to 4, 5 into 1 equal to 5. Thus, 1 is a factor of 3. Like this, all number is a factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Next, every number is a factor of itself. Yes, it is correct. Example, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. Thus, the 3 is a factor of 3, 4 is a factor of 4, and 5 is a factor of 5. Next, number with only two factor, that is number with only two factor, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime number. For example, factor is there 1 and 3. Here you can see only two factor, that is why we call this number, this factor means prime number. Factor of 13, 1 and 13 only two factor is there, so we called prime number. So 43 and 13 are prime numbers. Okay. A number with more than two factor is called composite number. Next question, a number with more than two factor is called composite number. Here you can see the factor is not only two, factor is given more than two, that is why we called the composite number. Okay. Here you can see the example, the factor of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next, the factor of 27, 1, 3, 9 and 27. So 15 and 27 are composite number. Next is common factor. Topic, common factor. Very first, I'm going to explain you what is the meaning of common factor. A number that is a factor of two or more number is called common factor of those number. Example, find the common factor of 12 and 16. First, write the factor of 12. The factor of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Next, factors of 16. Factor of 16, that is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Very first, here we write the factor of both number. Then after this, we are going to find out the common factor, that means same number between both factor. So first is 1, next 2 and third one is 4. Then write in answer the common factor of 12 and 16 are 1 and 4. Next, I am going to explain you exercise 6.2. First question, find the factor. Here we are going to find out the factor of particular number. Only one number is given this question. First question, 27. Here you can see the 27 number. So very first we find out the factor of 27, that is 1 into 27 of 27, that is thus the factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Next, the factor of 32. The factor of 32, that is 1 and 32, 2 and 16 or 4 into 8. That means 32 ones are 32, 16 twos are 32 or 4 eights are 32 and 8 fours are also 32. Thus, write in a sentence the factor of 32, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Next, question number 2, fill in the blanks. Dash is the smallest factor for any number. Yes, 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Next, 17 is dash number. 17 is a prime number. Yes, of course, yes. 9 has dash factor. 9 has 3 factor. Yes. For any given number, the number itself is dash. For any given number, the number itself is the factor. Last, since 5 into 2 into 7 equals to 70, 5 comma 2 and 7 are the factor of 70. Yes. Next, question number 3. Put a tick if the sentence is correct and a cross if it is wrong. Here we are going to find out the sentence is correct, then we give a tick mark. If the sentence is wrong, then we cross it. First question, greatest factor of a number cannot be found. Wrong. So cross. Factor, divisor, yes. Then give a tick mark. A number that has only two factors is called a composite number. Cross. No, this is wrong. So here we draw one cross. Next, a factor of number is less than or equal to the number itself. Yes. So give a tick mark. Last, 2 into 3 equals to 6. So 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. Yes. Then give a tick mark. Next, question number 4. Is 6 is a factor of 86? Here we are going to find out the 6 is a factor of 86. Yes or no? Answer is no. Then write no, 6 is not a factor of 86, and the factor of 86 is 86 equal to 1 into 86 and 2 into 43. That means 243 is 86. So factor that is 1, 2, 43 and 86. This is our answer. Question number 5. Is 36 divisible by 12 completely? 36. Write in a sentence like this. Next, question number 6. State if the following number are prime or composite. First, here we are going to find out the particular number is prime number or composite number. Prime number, that means the number which have only two factor. Composite number means the number which have factor 2 or more than 2. So first number 3. So 1 into 3. So this number have only two factors. So that is why here we write prime number. 3 is a prime number. Next, 8. 8, the factor of 8, that is 1 into 8, 2 into 4. So factor of 8 is, that is 1, 8, 2 and 4. 4 factor is there. So 8 is a composite number. Next, 11. 11 have only two factor, 1 and 11 only. So 11 is a prime number. Next, 20. 20 is a composite number because 20 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. So 20 is a composite number. Next, question number 7. Find common factor of the following number. Here we are going to find out the common factor of the following number. First, 6 and 8. Write down the factor of 6, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6, the factor of 6. And 8, the factor of 8, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. After this, we are going to find out the common factor, that means same number. First common factor 1, second 2. Okay, then write in a sentence common factor of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. I hope you all are understand my video. Thanks for watching this video.